Mr. Shalaton Popote speaking, and this is assignment 3.6, SQL into video insertion. Alright, let's get started. So the purpose of this assignment is to write a SQL query to get the third maximum salary of an employee from a table name employee. Alright, so let's head to my SQL Management Studio. Ruby has to get the third maximum salary from a table named employee. So the first thing is to create that table because you cannot get a salary if you cannot query an information if you do not have the table. So the first step will be to create a table. And you can see here I'm already written the script because I only have 3 minutes. This is the script that will help me create the table. And if I click on execute, it says that there's already an object, so it will execute, but because I've already created it, alright, so I will have this message. And you can see by yourself here, I have the table that I've created, the table of employee. Alright, so that's the first step. The next step, which is the next step, because here I've created a table which is empty, I have then to insert values into those empty rows and columns. Okay, and the first thing is to insert employee's name. You can see here, and employee's salaries. Okay, and we have values, so that the thing will be to associate each name, all right, name with the salary. Okay, and if I click on execute, it will execute. I've already executed, and you can see that this will automatically insert this value into the table I've just created. Okay, so that's the second step. The third step will be then to select from the table. If I click on execute, this is the result. This is the table that I've created. And if I select from this table, you can see each name is associated with a salary. All right, here you can see by yourself. And the last step then will be to then write the script that will help me get the third maximum salary. Okay, for example here, this is the script to select this thing which automatically eliminate duplicate salaries. Alright, to get it from the table employee and then to order by descendant order means from up to the bottom. Alright, and then the next part of the script. So if I launch the script, for example, let me just execute. Okay, there's a problem with it here. Okay, so you can see here, this is the result I'm getting. Okay, this is then the third maximum salary, and this is pretty straightforward if you look at it. The thing is just to understand the logic and how everything works. And if you understand it, with the courses that we've been, the tutorial that we've been watching, and the courses that we've been learning, the research that we've been using, yeah, that's pretty easy to understand the logic behind it. So thank you very much.